Hi, I'm Jim Webster, and I am going to walk you through the WHMCS integration that we offer for iDev Affiliate. If you're familiar with iDev Affiliate, you may know that we have been integrating with WHMCS for quite some time, many years actually. This is the current video. We've gone through a few of them over the, in history as the integration changes and gets updated and stuff like that. We always do a fresh new video, and this is the current video. So if you're watching this video, this is the current video that you want to be watching for the current integration. This will always be updated. So let's dive right into the integration of how to connect the two. And then we're also going to do some testing to show you how it all works. And you can actually see some live commissions coming in. So first thing you want to do is come over to your iDev Affiliate Admin Center and go to Tracking Integration. Then go to the built-in wizard. Now in this drop-down menu, you're going to find a lot of different systems we integrate with. Obviously, we want to pick WHMCS. It's not at the bottom of the list where you might expect to find it for W. It's up here in the web host billing systems section. Choose WHMCS and go to the next page. We've now officially enabled it in iDev Affiliate, but we now need to complete the integration between the two using these steps right here. So exactly what it says here, you're going to follow these steps. These will always, again, be up to date. These steps right now have you download the zip file. Inside the zip file, you're going to find an idevaffiliate.php file. You're going to make 2 edits to the file, possibly just 1 edit to the file. But then once you've done the editing to this file, you're going to upload it to a folder in your WHMCS via FTP in your WHMCS file structure. So I'm going to show you how to do that too. So once you open up the idevaffiliate.php file, which is found in this zip file, you're going to see this. This is what it looks like. So the one possible place that you're going to make an edit here will be here, whether or not you want to do one-time or recurring commissions. So if you want to do recurring commissions, you don't have to do anything here because it's set to default to do recurring. If you just want to issue a commission on the initial sign up, then you want to change that to a 1. Okay. We're not going to do that. We're just going to leave it at the default. And the other thing you want to do is come all the way down here to around line 187 or so. There's a placeholder URL here that you need to replace with the actual location of your affiliate program with iDev Affiliate. It's going to be different for everybody. We've provided it to you right here. Just go ahead and copy this and then come back over here. And between these two quote lines, or the quotation marks, just paste that right in there. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and save the file. I'm not going to save the file because we've already got this uploaded. But once you've got this file edited and saved, it says right here, you're going to upload it to your include/hooks folder in WHMCS. And you're going to do that using FTP. Here's an FTP browser right here. It's going to look very similar to this. So you've got WHMCS includes and then hooks. And this is where that file is going to go. You're going to upload this using ASCII mode or auto detect mode, maybe not binary mode, because it's a textual file. So use ASCII mode when you're uploading it. And after you're done, it should look something similar to this. Now you might have other files in here already because this is a webhook file where webhooks are called. You could have other stuff already being called and used here. So it might not look exactly like this, but this is exactly where you want to put it. Includes, hooks, and the iDev Affiliate file should be right there. Now, once you've done that, you've officially completed the integration with iDev Affiliate. You can literally walk away from this knowing that if customers are referred by affiliates, the affiliates are going to get their commissions issued to them. But if you're anything like me, you like to see it to believe it, and you like to do some testing just to make sure everything is working correctly, we're going to do that for you right now as well. So before we do that, we need to take a couple assumptions. We need to assume that I'm the customer and I've already clicked on an affiliate link. I've been now taken to your website where I'm now going to sign up for a hosting plan or any of the other services that you're offering. And once my order is placed, that's when the commission will be triggered for iDev Affiliate. Or so you may think. There's one extra step that I'm going to show you that needs to be done. It's actually sort of a safety step, but I'm going to emulate that process right now. So let's go over to WHMCS and let's add an order in. And we're just getting an order into the system under the assumption that, again, I've clicked on a marketing link and I'm doing this on the front end of your WHMCS website where I'm actually placing an order as a customer. So I'm going to hit submit the order. So now we've got basically an unpaid invoice in the system. Now, when I was talking about that extra step that needs to be done, the trigger that gets called over to iDev Affiliate does not get paid. Does not get made until the invoice itself is paid. So in order to replicate this, we want to pay this invoice. So I'm going to look at the invoice that I just created here, and you'll notice over in iDev Affiliate, now we had a commission in here prior to the video starting, and after adding that order in, you can see it did not change. There's no new order in here. This is from an old order that we did prior to this video. We're looking at invoice number 16 here, and there's no commission for it. And the reason, again, is because this is an unpaid invoice. The nice thing about this, and this is that extra security piece I was telling you about, commissions aren't created until the invoice is actually paid. So in order to emulate a commission here, we want to go to add payment and just hit add payment. Because once we add the payment to this invoice, we're telling WHMCS, this invoice is now paid, and it's at this time right here that WHMCS makes the call to iDev Affiliate to say, hey, we've got a paid invoice here. Let's see if there's an affiliate associated with this customer, and if so, let's create a commission for that affiliate. So now we can go back over to iDev Affiliate and take a look and see what happened here, if anything, right? So now we can click on pending approval. Notice it says 1. If I click on pending approval, it now says 2, and you see we've got order number 16, which is from the one that we just did. Okay, so that's how this works. You can see the commission sitting here pending approval. You can now approve it. You can change it. You can update it. You can switch to a different affiliate if you wanted to. You can change the commission amount. Lots of things you can do to manage this commission that we won't probably get into in this video, but you can see that the commission came in for the order. It's 16. Here's the amount. It came from WHMCS. The reason the commission amount is $2 is because we're just paying a simple 10% commission, which obviously is adjustable. You can pay your affiliates anything you want, but the default is 10%, and that's how we came up with the $2. So this is a quick way to test your system to make sure things are working and connected properly. And I'll do this again if you'd like. I can do another one real quickly. So this will be for, which one did this go? 17, we can look at 17. If I add a payment on 17, we should now see another commission happen over in iDev Affiliate. Now that says paid, come over here. There's the third commission for 17. There it is. So you can repeatedly test and test and test if you want. That's how it works. The same exact thing is going to happen, only you're not manually entering in these orders. It's your customers placing the orders on the front end. And if they make a payment using a credit card during a regular checkout, the commission will automatically be created because the invoice is coming in as paid. So if it comes in as an unpaid invoice, all you have to do is mark it as being paid for the trigger to happen. If it comes in as a paid invoice, it's automatically going to happen anyways. You don't have to do anything extra or special. So that's it on the WHMCS integration. My name again is Jim. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our support department. We are very much willing and able to help you get set up with this. If you need help with editing the file, uploading the file, testing, anything you need, we're very much happy to assist with. And thank you again for watching the video.